how to turn on or turn off voice access on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Interaction and Dexterity. After click on Interaction and Dexterity, click on Voice Access. After click on Voice Access, if you want to turn on Voice Access, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Voice Access is turned on. If you want to turn off Voice Access, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Voice Access is turned off. You will turn on or turn off Voice Access from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off voice access on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.